back to my channel. My name is Courtney, and today I'm going to be doing some cleaning motivation, but also I'm going to be updating you on what's going on with my life. I know I haven't posted a video at all this whole year, which has only been a month of it, or 15 days? Yeah, 15 days. But I wanted to bring this video to you because I have some exciting news to tell you at the end of this video. So stay tuned for that exciting news. So I'm also let you know that, as you can tell, I got a new camera because I don't have to record on my phone anymore. And I'm going to let you know what kind of camera this is, but I wanted to make sure like it was good and, you know, the recording is good and just how everything turned out. So I will keep you updated on that, on what kind of camera this is, because I didn't pay a whole lot of money for it, but I also want to make sure it was good, like a good sale. So stay tuned for that. I'll most likely keep that update on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me. I really appreciate it. And here we go.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you, like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted and blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for
So while I'm washing these dishes, I just kind of want to say, I don't know why the camera is showing 2018, and it's showing my birthday, which is January the 9th, which is very weird. But anyway, so don't mind that. It is 2020 when I'm filming this, but just wanted to let you guys know that.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Okay, so I wanted to bring you some cleaning motivation, but I also wanted to tell you some updates that's going on with me. So, as you can tell, alright, well, maybe you can't tell right now, but around me, there we go. I have boxes everywhere. I am moving. I've been saying that I'm going to be moving, and the time has finally come. I sold my house. It went on the market. It sold in 3 days. I have until the 5th to take all my crap and get up out of here. So I wanted to bring you some cleaning motivation, but I also wanted to update you guys, the ones who have been following me for a long time, just on what's going on with my life, because I've been kind of quiet on Instagram. I'm sorry, I'm telling you, life has been crazy. But I want to record everything, like as in packing up, which I haven't recorded most of this, but I'm going to record the rest of it, like the rest of the process. But an exciting thing, I got a new camera, so now I don't have to film on my phone anymore. And I'm just kind of testing this video out, so hopefully everything turns out very well, that I can continue to use this camera to do all my videos, especially with this hardcore cleaning that's going to be happening, and just, you know, that. So I'm going to show you the chaos that's going on. You saw a clean kitchen, but all around it, we got this going on right here, right outside the kitchen, on my counter. This, because I'm trying to sell stuff. All this stuff I'm trying to sell. And then you got more boxes right there, and just more stuff that I gotta try to put, try to get rid of, and yeah. So there's the clean kitchen that you saw, and then there's all of this. All of that. So this stuff over here is again for sale. This stuff is for sale, and I've been trying to post those online. This stuff all needs to be packed up. I took everything off of my walls. As you can see, there's nothing. Y'all, it looks so weird. I'm going to show you my walkway right here, or hallway. This is the only thing that's left. Everything is off the walls and packed away. So I just kind of wanted to update you guys, but also bring you some type of cleaning motivation. But just stay tuned, be patient with me. I promise you I'm going to get more videos out for 2020, and I'm excited about this. So give it a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!